How to restore network defaults in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option general. Now click on general and then scroll down in last and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on transfer or reset iPhone and then click on reset. Now here you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on reset network settings and then here enter your passcode to reset your network settings. It will reset your network settings but never destroy any other data like photos, videos and other personal data. After reset your network setting and then restart your device, and after that reconnect your Wi-Fi and configure your VPN and Bluetooth devices. So this is the way to restore network defaults in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.